Have you ever wondered how to change your color palette on your Showit website? No worries, I'll show you how to do just that, and it'll take you less than 5 minutes. And if we haven't met yet, I'm Emily, and I teach entrepreneurs just like you how to make your website and tech work for you, not against you. Now let's get started. Welcome to the screen portion of the recording. To change your colors on your Showit website template or website, you can go to the left hand side of your screen and select Design Settings. From there, you will see that there is 8 different color palettes there. To select the color, you want to click on the colors, like I selected the first one. And I am going to change the hex code. And I have it right here in a document. I'm going to select the first one and paste it in here. I press enter. Now, if you're not sure where the hex code of your colors are, normally if you have worked with a designer, they will tell you which colors you have and its hex code. So all you have to do is select the hex code that is selected. Now let's continue to the rest. Next, you just want to save right here. As you can see, it has changed every single color that was on that website, from the text to the headers, and that's how you change your colors in Showit. That's it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions what we have talked about during this video, please let me know in the comment box below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks, and have a wonderful day.